Hello everyone, welcome to Hirender S3 tutorial. In this video, I will introduce how to use the virtual display. Press on Add Display, Add Virtual Display. We can set the basic properties like resolution, stage position, and others for the display. We can just use the default and choose OK. Drag the virtual display into timeline. And we can also use the virtual display in the program. Go back to display. We can drag the virtual display to any position within our image. We could see that virtual display media that we added in timeline will change when we move the virtual display. Let's set it at here. Let's add another virtual display. This time, we will use the slice. Click on Add Slice, Add Rectangle. We can adjust the size of the rectangle slice and also the directions. On the right is a preview for the slice. Choose OK. And add the virtual display 2. We could see that it's just a sky in the display 2 and with a zoomed in view for the virtual display. Let's add a virtual display 3. This time we will use the add polygon. We can add any shape that we want to make. To end, just click on the original point. Then we will have a polygon slice. Choose OK and add that into the timeline layer. We can set the virtual display the resolution here. Let's set it to 500. So one of the applications for the virtual display is to make a simulation for the shaped screen joint. Let's add a new image here. And we could set the resolution of the other slices. For the virtual display 1. We can go back here to set the resolution for the virtual display 1 to 480 and set the height to 3264. And for the virtual display 2, we can also set it to 3264 and 480. Go back to timeline. We can drag these two to the side of the sky needle. So this is kind of a simple shaped joint simulation. That's all for today's tutorial. See you next video.